In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok privacy settings. I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on the important settings that you can manage in your privacy of TikTok. So let's get started. From the home screen of your TikTok, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines on the top right and head over to settings and privacy. From here, you simply tap on the privacy option right here, and you'll land on the privacy tab. Now there are tons of options, as you can see. I'm going to show you a couple of main ones. The first one is the private account. Now if you have this option turned off, this means that anyone who visits your profile on TikTok would be able to see all of the videos that you posted. Now if you don't want that to happen, you can simply toggle this option on, and this way other people won't be able to watch your videos, and they wouldn't also be able to follow you directly. You'll need to accept their request in order to be your follower. Now if you come down here, there are a couple of important settings. This is the profile views and the post views. If you tap on this profile views, and if you have this option on, it means that anyone who views your profile within the past 30 days, you'll be able to see their names on TikTok. And same goes for yourself. If you view others' profile and if they have this option turned on, they would also be able to see that you viewed their profiles. If you don't want that to happen, you can simply toggle this option on. And similarly for the post views, if you have this option turned on, you'll be able to see other people who viewed your post, and other people will also be able to see that you viewed their post but within the 7 days of the post date. If you don't want that to happen, you can toggle this on or off. Now apart from that, you can see a few other options such as like videos. It's also pretty much the same. If you want other people to see them, you can tap on everyone. If not, you can tap on only me. Same goes for the following list and other stuff that you can see right here. Now if you don't want other people to message you directly, you can tap on this direct message option and tap on the first option, which is direct message, and then tap this to no one, so that no one would be able to message you. Or you can also choose any of these options depending upon your likings. So that's pretty much it. That's a quick rundown of the privacy settings that you can manage for your TikTok account. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.